All right. It's my season. It's my political season. We talking about the 13th Amendment. If I go to jail, I got to share that toilet with an inmate. And y'all write the laws to send us to jail. So we're going to switch positions. We're going to trade places. We'll see if you're going to send Scott Shellenberger to jail for kidnapping. All right? That's Ivan Bates. That's Sheriff Anderson. That's Hoyer. That's Stokes. This is a political toilet. Potty training politicians because people pay attention to dumbass shit. I'm going to even give you a rim shot. You feel me? That's a rim shot. That's Adrian Jones. You see the elected officials? And that's me. Because I use the toilet too. It's the time to pee. I'm going to walk you up the stairs. This is about art and activism. The art of protest. That's President Trump and Hardin's. Alright? Because Senator Hardin knew about this when I started this. I told you I was making a documentary. The documentary is about being black and white America. Democrats and Republicans eat us up. The oppressed people. We won't be oppressed for so long. That's Clippinger. That's Hedelman. That's Anderson. That's Sneed. Alright? These are your elected officials. And I'm using toilets. Did you use a toilet today? Because I'm getting ready to get famous for this shit all over again. We know that Donald Trump is a racist, but I'm going to show you the racism in the Democratic Party and the black faces that carry out a racist agenda. We're going to talk about Marilyn Mosby. Y'all talk about a ceasefire? No. Y'all can't have a ceasefire if you don't talk about the war on drugs. Westmore, you said you're going to talk to me. Well, until you talk to me, I'm going to talk about you. Toilets. Y'all made me famous for toilets, and I'm running with this. I'm selling these toilets for $25 a pop. All right? Fool your friends. I'm a member of Out for Justice, and we're raising social consciousness. You feel me? Social consciousness. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and you're making our kids the cash crop. Art and activism. Art and activism. August 2007. You see that? August 20th, 2007. My store on Falls Road. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. If my office can be of any assistance to you in further communications, contact the federal agency. Please do not hesitate to contact me. That's Senator Hardin's. Shorty, pull your mask up. Yeah. Told you I was making a documentary about Baltimore. The criminal justice system. It's a time to pee. Baltimore rewired. The money behind the machine. Community in crisis? No. Y'all selling blacks into slavery. Like I said, movie release. Shorty documentary. She been lying to you. She got this. That's Hazel Norman. Hazel died earlier this year. She was the star of the movie. Rob Fix and Glenn Nelson. Alright? And these are the supporters of Shorties. I was making a movie. That's my film crew. And I got the film. That's President Barack Obama because he asked for an investigation in 2008. You see who this is? Subject, state and federal audit, criminal charges. You feel me? 2017, Maryland Controller. You see that? Thanks for contacting the Controller's Office. Request for audit and tax returns. To better assist you, forwarding your email to D.C. Riley. All right? And I did that. If you suspect fraud regarding your federal tax returns, it is your responsibility to contact the IRS. I did that. I contacted the police department. You feel me? I contacted you. I gave you a legal notice. You feel me? And that's the White House 2009. Told you I was making a documentary. You kidnapped me from my home. You feel me? And there goes my film crew. Meat on Fire. You feel me? Shorty's Pit Beef. Dwayne G. Davis. Department of Justice mail referral. That's Eric Holder. And that's received. That's Rob Fix, my producer. That's Rob Fix and my crew. This is the material you stole from me in 2011. No attack occurred. That's Chief Johnson. That's Judge Cox. That's Gov.O'Malley. And these are the inmates. It's going to make it a class action lawsuit. She been lying to you. She don't work for the Innocence Project. That's a legal notice. Baltimore City, Baltimore County, and Lake County, Illinois. You feel me? Art and activism. I'm not Emmett Till. Art and activism. So Governor Hogan, we will confront racism to create a more inclusive and just world. We stand in solidarity with our black partners, customers, and communities. We will not be bystanders. See that toilet? That's from the 2010 elections. See that? I own me. Nobody has a right to sign my checks. I'm the chairman, the president, the treasurer, and the secretary. And I've been established since 1998. I'm not a jailhouse snitch. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. And this is inmate request slip. That's Eric Holder in the Department of Justice, December 2009. That's Mr. Calabrese, all right? 2013. That's Ronald Reagan and your illustrious Governor Hogan. You feel me? No. That's me when I started this. When I started cooking in Owings Mills. 2015, I decided to make a movie about Baltimore. Director of Promotions and Art, Baltimore. Director of Promotions and Art, New York, Philadelphia, Chicago, and the Maryland film industry. My name is Dwayne G. Davis, a.k.a. Shorty. I'm writing you this letter informing you of my artistic contributions to the city. Myself and others in communities will be placing artistic forms of expressions, BIA, toilets, crabs, and other arts at exhibits. You feel me? It's all here. And y'all got that. Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake, Interim Commissioner Davis, Baltimore City Council, presidential candidate Governor O'Malley. Y'all got that. And them toilets. You see who that is? That's Brooks Robinson. That's Shorty's Barbecue. That's my store. That's my family. That's the storyboard. So Westmore, make sure that you get all this, because all these storyboards got your name on it. You're going to be the next governor. Art and activism. Supporters of Shorties. These are the people that support me. I had a petition. That's 2014. That's Linda Dodge from Parole and Probation. That's Jeremy Stemmick, Lake County, Illinois. Judge Phillips, that took a $40,000 payoff to fix a case. All right? That's Peter Raskin, Cannon. You see these people? They had this. Insurance Incorporated. So let's open this up. It's Governor O'Malley's crime machine, the prison industry. That's the Rue, the biggest loser in Baltimore. There goes the movie release, Shorty documentary. In 2011, y'all took a truck, a computer, and you took the contents of my vehicle. Right here. September 2011. My anniversary is coming up. Y'all never returned my property. The entire contents of the defendant's vehicle, a 1999 Chevy Suburban, Maryland registration, registered to Dwayne G. Davis, date of birth, 1959. You feel me? If these contents have been destroyed or disposed of, you feel me? Jerome Joyce. My lawyer participated in that. Art and activism. We know he a racist, but now I'm going to show you Baltimore's racism. The supporters of Shorties. That's July 2008. Public Safety and Correctional Services. You feel me? These are your elected officials in Baltimore County. That's me, my store on Falls Road. You asked my opinion whether you should be considered a convict from 1986, case number 86 CF498. That means I'm filed innocent of all those charges. See that? Federal investigation, 2019. Kiefer Mitchell. You see that? Al Redmer. Dr. Andre Bundy. You see that? Dear Governor Hogan. Yeah, these are the supporters of Shorties. These boys supported me. That's Governor O'Malley. And that's 2005. I own Shorties. That's my store. So like I said, we get ready to flush careers down the hole. Because I'm potty training politicians. These are my supporters. These are the people in the movie that you destroyed. These are the people in the movie that you destroyed. And ask Donnie Glover. You feel me? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. You feel me? These are the supporters of Shorties. And Governor Hogan got this. 11 years ago today, y'all locked me up. Charged me with terrorism because I put a toilet in front of the courthouse. Commode motion. Toilet outside Towson Courthouse creates bomb scare. That's the Baltimore Sun. So the Baltimore Sun, the Baltimore Brew, the Baltimore Banner, WJZ, WBAL, CBS, y'all all knew about this. I'm still Shorty. I was making a movie about defending our families. You go to Mark Steiner and get that. You go to Congressman Cummings' office and get that. You go to Bobby Zirkin and get that. You go to Clyde Lamore and get that. This is my political soapbox. I use a toilet for that. Ask Ashley Esposito. We're the Weaver Awards for 2021. These are the supporters of Shorties. You feel me? These are the people that support me. It's making a movie. Letters design. That ain't against the law. That's Brian Frosch. That's Peter Francott. Privacy Act. Dwayne G. Davis. 1402 Lochner. Lisa Madigan. Dutch Rupersberger. Senator Cardin. Senator Durbin. IG number 08 IG 0094. False imprisonment for filming a documentary about Lake County judicial system. Denial of due process, equal protections, and freedom of speech. Barbara Mikulski got that. That's Governor O'Malley's office. See that? O'Malley and Brown. Dwayne Shorty Davis. Department of Corrections. That DVD. We're going to play that DVD in front of a grand jury because you never showed it. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. Here's the book that y'all stole from me. The Great Race Debate. See the date? July 30th, 2009. Barbara Mikulski's office told me to call D.C. for a press conference to address my false imprisonment. Went to the controller to report Jake and James Hammond state income tax evasion. Going to the unemployment office. We talking about occupying the courts. And it's time to occupy the courts. Because like I said, that's my political soapbox. We already know he a racist. And I'm going to show you how he's a racist. We talking about the money. I got recorded phone calls. I got videos with everybody I'm talking about. Mr. McGee, Director of Parole and Probation. 0804-000-82012. Westmore. That toilet was just a prop for a movie. Evidence. See this? That's Shorty's. That's my granddaughter, Lyric. Alright? These are the supporters of Shorty, and we're going to level up in 2024. That's Elijah Cummings. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. You feel me? And we talking about Kwesi and Fume. Judge Souter. See that? The supporters of Shorties. You see that? 2008, Falls Road. Accepted forged checks. So in 2021, 22, I want Scott Shellenberger criminally charged. You got the information and the evidence. There's the forged checks. That's Brian Frosch. That's Brian Frosch and Shorty. That's a legal notice. That's my lawyer, John Bailey in Illinois. 074988. You feel me? That's Shorty's. I'm a cook, I'm a chef, I'm a caterer. That's Vicki Lawrence and Shorty. That's Brian Frosch. Block party gets bigger and better every year. That's me. And I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. Criminal charges. This is Baltimore's biggest loser. Y'all ran Theroux like y'all ran Allen Keyes. Y'all ran him every race and he lost every time. So I'm getting ready to build Theroux a toilet. A real toilet. Release all material to the voters because Theroux never told us to nobody. Theroux kept that. He's a lawyer. He's an officer of the court. See the date? 2009. Baltimore Sun, ABC, NBC, 98 Rock in Theroux. See my lawyer? John Bailey. Art and Activism. Subject. City Council meeting. Shellenberger issue. You feel me? Please share this with the entire council. Scott Shellenberger, Kevin Kamenetz, to ensure transparency in this conversation and subject matter. Review the videos and bring clarity to the situation. Movie was made long before 7/2011. Y'all took my movie and destroyed it. Y'all got to pay me for that. That movie was worth $250 million from 2006 to 2022. Y'all got to pay for that. Shorty, pull your mask up? No. Shorty, Baltimore Rewired. The money behind the machine. Ain't no law against making a movie. It's a law against kidnapping. It's a law against theft of property. Yeah. Y'all owe me, you gotta pay me. You don't pay me, I'm gonna steal shit on you. Feel me? Toilets.
No, no, no. 1,000 times no.
That's the 13th Amendment. Neither slavery nor involuntary servitude except in the punishment of crimes. Alright? I'm not a slave. I'm a free man. I own me. I'm the best of the best in Baltimore.